Woo! Maxine's Corner, you've done it again. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Yes, in today's video, we are making some delicious pumpkin bread because it's pumpkin season. So what? Let's get started. So 1 cup of sugar. You can use munkfruit sweetener, which is a 0-calorie sweetener. I am using organic cane raw sugar, or you can use coconut sugar as well. 1/2 cups of softened butter, and this is the vegan butter, Earth Balance. I love cooking with this butter. Okay, I'm gonna cream this together for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll be back. Turn that off. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, and this is flax eggs, guys. Okay. Pumpkin puree, and this is 1 cup. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. Great recipes, great tips. All right, so let me go ahead and mix all this together. Okay, my healthy people, so it's pretty much done right now. So I'm gonna turn this off. For our dry ingredients, 2 cups of gluten-free flour. I'm using the 1-for-1 measure gluten-free flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. Now I'm using 1/4 teaspoons of salt. And I use the Himalayan salt, but sea salt works just as well. Mix all of this together and make sure everything is well combined. While you're doing this, be sure to preheat your oven at 350 degrees. All right, so I think I'm pretty good as far as mixing everything together. And that's it for our dry ingredients. So let's combine everything together now. I'm adding my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. And then we don't want to add everything all at once, because then when you do that, it's a mess, okay? And we're not gonna over mix, so let's keep that in mind. No over mixing. I'm just gonna put it on stir. And I'm gonna add the rest. Just like that. Okay? So this is a gluten-free, absolutely delicious. You're gonna love it. Gluten-free pumpkin bread. I love the spices that we use to bake with in the fall. What are some of your favorite spices to bake with in the fall? All right, so I'm gonna stir this for about a minute, not too long. I'm going to add 1/4 cups of milk, and that's all I need. And I'm just gonna mix it together. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, my healthy people, so here's my 9x5 pan. I'm just gonna spray it, get it in there. All right, so let's just go ahead, put this out there. Okay, so this is what our gluten-free pumpkin bread looks like. I'm putting it in the oven. Here we have our pumpkin bread. Very nice. I did leave it in the oven a little bit too long. I got a little distracted, guys. And this is what happens when you get distracted. You get a little burn marks here, but it's okay. Let's just hope it still tastes, ooh, it looks good. Still soft. So let's go ahead and cut this up, right? But as you may see, it's very soft, very moist on the inside. Look at that. Look, look. Woo! Maxine's Corner, you've done it again. Let me just give it a taste. The good old taste test, right? Very, very good, guys. This tastes really good. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with a friend or family member if you choose to. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. And say with me, stay healthy.